Chocolate is a beloved treat all around the world, and there are countless varieties to choose from. In this video, we will take a look at the top 10 most popular chocolates in the world. Let's start the video. Number 10. Cadbury Dairy Milk. Cadbury Dairy Milk is a British brand of chocolate that has been around since 1905. It is known for its creamy texture and is a popular choice in many countries around the world. Number 9. Milka. Milka is a Swiss brand of chocolate that is known for its smooth and creamy texture. It is popular in many European countries and is known for its distinctive purple packaging. Number 8. Hershey's. Hershey's is an American brand of chocolate that was founded in 1894. It is known for its milk chocolate bars, which are a popular treat in the United States. Number 7. Toblerone. Toblerone is a Swiss brand of chocolate that is known for its triangular shape and distinctive packaging. It is made with Swiss milk chocolate and nougat and is a popular gift around the world. Number 6. Lindt. Lindt is a Swiss brand of chocolate that is known for its smooth and creamy texture. It is often sold in luxury chocolate shops and is a popular gift for special occasions. Number 5. Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher is an Italian brand of chocolate that is known for its hazelnut filling and gold foil packaging. It is a popular gift and is often given as a luxury treat. Number 4. Ghirardelli. Ghirardelli is an American brand of chocolate that is known for its rich and intense flavor. It is often used in baking and is a popular choice for chocolate lovers in the United States. Number 3. Godiva. Godiva is a Belgian brand of chocolate that is known for its high quality and luxurious chocolate. It is often sold in luxury chocolate shops and is a popular gift for special occasions. Number 2. Lindor. Lindor is a Swiss brand of chocolate that is known for its smooth and creamy texture. It is often sold in truffle form and is a popular gift around the world. Number 1. Kit Kat. Kit Kat is a British brand of chocolate that is known for its crispy wafer and milk chocolate coating. It is a popular treat all around the world and has become a cultural icon in many countries. These are the top 10 most popular chocolates in the world, but there are countless other varieties to explore and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Do comment on the video and please subscribe to our channel for more video.